Before we start this video, I learned that if you ask people to like the video and subscribe, more people do it, just being asked. So I'm doing that this time. What's going on, guys? T Blake here, and today we're going to be sharing with you the latest pickup courtesy of Astro Gaming. I tweeted out my Astro A20 headset, and I got sent out the A50, which is like going from the iPhone 5 to the iPhone 11 Pro. So I am super excited to check these out. I'm gonna unbox them for you. Also, if you missed my Nintendo Switch Death to Reseller video, I'm actually giving away a Nintendo Switch Lite over on Kickstarter cost. So if you guys want to head over to the link down in the description, I'll also pin it to the comments. You can win one of these for free, no cost. Also, to the people that said it's difficult to get Nintendo Switches, I just walked into a Target at 5 p.m. and was able to pick up these. Jacob Keller's, yours is on the way. I got another one going out to my buddy Chris. So these have not been hard, so just don't fall into the hype, that's for sure. So this is the A50. This is like the highest end gaming headset that Astro makes. I love my A20s. Nothing was wrong with them at all. These just have a lot better features, both with audio, 15 hours of playback time on a single charge. The wireless ones are definitely dope. So I'm gonna hook it up to my Xbox. We're just gonna unbox it and show you what's inside. Oh my God, dude, I cannot. Look at that, I've already ruined it. All right, so now that that debacle's over with, we got this dope box with like a little bit of laser etching to it. I don't know how those tech people do reviews. This is like the coolest tech thing I've ever been sent ever. Wow. And even my cat just discovered what a battery was. I'm gonna tell these are way lighter. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's like doing a little dance. These are much lighter than the last set that I had. We got the connecting cord, I'm used to that. This looks like it's an optical cable for in and out for the TV. Then I also have this little code that says I get 2-year activation for Dolby Atmos sound. I gotta look into what that is, but it sounds like I'm gonna have better sound wirelessly. Someone can let me know. Then we got this big dock. I already know how to use this one, but it also doubles as the charger, which is great. I'm probably not gonna anchor this into my Xbox. I gotta probably anchor it into, I have these little outlets that have the USB plugs in them, so I'll definitely do that. But this is something that I cannot wait to use. So thank you guys so much to Astro Gaming. It really does mean a lot. As someone that loves gaming and has kind of like followed along all the YouTubers and stuff, to be able to get sent something kind of out of the blue was dope, and something that I'll definitely use. So to end the video today, I'm going to show you something that I picked up to help benefit local hospitals in New York City. So the artist Stash, he's a graffiti artist. He's done some projects with Nike in the past. So Stash did a bunch of artwork that was supposed to be sold at a show, which was canceled due to the Corona outbreak. And now he auctioned them off for proceeds going to charity. So I picked one up to help both support his art and also support the cause. So you see his tag here. Stash is actually someone that I've worked with before when I was helping consulting at Concepts. We did a Tito's vodka installation with him, I wanna say. Anyway, I love this. I got to pick, there were 6 different ones. So I absolutely cannot wait to find the right place for this in my home. And to own an original from Stash is really cool. I think he's super slept on as an old school, just really good artist in general. And he's also a very good dude. So he was able to raise, I think, just under $10,000 to help public hospitals in New York City. So some of those first responders, and I was able to get a really cool piece of art and also support the cause. So that's definitely something that I can get behind. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. This Nintendo Switch, again, can be yours. There's no cost to enter. It's over on kickstartercost.com if you wanna check that out. If you don't, that's fine. I honestly don't care. So T Blake signing out. Catch you guys soon. Peace.